Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to install OpenAlgo in Windows environment. So I'm gonna go to openalgo.in. From here I'm gonna go to the GitHub link. So from here I'm gonna copy the GitHub link over here, and then I'm gonna open up my VS Code. So in my VS Code, Visual Studio Code, I'm gonna open a new folder, any folder, any dummy folder I can open it. So inside the folder only I'm going to install it. So here I'm selecting my algo bridge. So once I selected the folder, next I'm going to go and open up the terminal here. So I'm going to open a new terminal. So from the new terminal, I'm going to clone the GitHub using the git clone followed by the GitHub URL of OpenAlgo. So the GitHub source code completely got downloaded to my portal, which you can check it out on the left hand side. And followed by that, once the download is done, I'm going to enter into the folder cd space OpenAlgo. That's a command I'm going to give in. So once I'm into the folder, I'm going to install the requirements, install the dependencies using pip install -r requirements.txt. Now this is for the Windows users. Maybe if you're a Linux user, then the procedure is little different here. So once all the dependency libraries are installed, right, the next process is immediately go and set the .env configuration file. Right, this .env configuration file, by default you have to rename the sample.env file. Just rename it to .env. So inside the .env file is what we will be setting up the broker API key, broker API secret key, and then redirect URL. In this case, I'm going to do it for Angel. So I'm going to rename the broker name as Angel over here. That's going to be my redirect URL. So once the redirect URL is done, the next one is like go to the broker portal. So in my case, it is going to be like the Angel broker. I'm going to go and get into the broker application, broker API platform. From here, I'll go and create an app. I'll ensure that it's a trading API. Enter an app name. It could be any name. In my case, I'm entering as OpenAlgo. Followed by that, I'm just entering the redirect URL, which I framed it. So in my case, my broker is Angel. So it's http://127.0.0.1:5000/angel/callback. So I just created an app, and then I'm going to copy the API key and API secret key back to the .env file. Now, once the API key and API secret key is copied, so the next procedure is automatically go and launch the application. So I just copied the API key. Now I'll be copying the API secret key as well. So once it is done, the next procedure is to go and run the Python application, right? So Python space app.py, this will be running this Flask application. Now once the application is running, it will be running in port 5000. So localhost 5000, typically 127.0.0.1:5000. So first step is like go and set up it. So by putting a /setup in front of the URL of the localhost. So the URL will be like 127.0.0.1:5000/setup. So enter the username, enter the password, confirm the password, enter the email credentials, email details, and the phone number. So the email and phone number, most likely it is used for the future purpose, mostly for if in case you're forgetting the OTP. So once the registration is done, enter the username and password, log into the application. And now Angel login. So we configure by Angel, right? So enter your login ID, enter your PIN details, and probably now enter your TOTP credentials followed by the PIN. So probably the TOTP, you have to enable TOTP one in the Angel broker portal. So open your authenticator, open the TOTP details and enter the TOTP details and press the login button. Automatically it will be logging to the dashboard. So it's a very minimalistic UI dashboard which comes with the simple dashboard, order book, trade book, position book, and holdings. Followed by that, automatically once the login process is done, parallelly what also happens is like parallelly another process will get invoked, a master contract will get downloaded, Now once the master contract is automatically downloaded, you can also go back to the API key management. From there you can go and generate the API key if you're a first time user. This is very much mandatory, and this is what it makes your trading code automatable. So once the API key is generated, you can also go back and generate the Tradingview JSON generator as well. So you can enter the OpenAlgo symbol. So if in case you have any doubts with the OpenAlgo symbol, you can always go and refer the documentation, or you can also go back and check the documentation here. So complete documentation details is available under OpenAlgo. You can also go to the search section where you can enter the OpenAlgo symbol, and you'll be able to get the complete details about the broker symbol and OpenAlgo symbol mapping format. So here you'll be able to get over here. Now once you're done with that, you are all set for doing automated trading using Amibroker, Metatrader, Python, or your own favorite application. Right? So in the next upcoming videos, we'll see more interesting content about how you can automate using your own favorite platform. Thank you.